Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we're going to be doing a review on AUTODOC Parts Store online. If you go to the website, they do look a bit sketchy. A little bit sketchy, but their prices are really good price for what you can get in. You have to order them offline via store. It's an online store. There's people on there where you can talk to in a live chat, so you can get exactly what part you need, which is always good. We punched in our bank details. Can you do by PayPal as well?
I think you can, yeah.
I think you can buy by PayPal or bank straight from your bank, and they send it out to your door. And we was quite shocked when it arrived because we had this box turn up. Let's just show the box first. We had this Auto Parts online store, and they are on Google Play and the App Store. And that's their own box, which is quite good. Put that on there. Then within that box we have this box, and you have a bit of German on there, English and some of that. To receive full credit, damaged core must be sent back in this box. When you open it, you are greeted with whatever part you ordered. We ordered a rear caliper. As you can see, it's a reconditioned part, but it's a BMW reconditioned part, which is good. As you can see, it's got all these bits on, and look, if you could just look at the back of it, it really does look new. I mean, you've got no rusty marks on the inside of you.
No.
I mean, I'm just shocked. I
Very
really am shocked. I'm just going to show you around. Yeah, we are not being sponsored by these, and we?
No.
Straight away, we're not being sponsored by these. But if AUTODOC do want to sponsor us in the future, we'd be more than happy to assist, because we really do like your style of
service.
I just want to really get out there how good the cast is on this part here. Even though it's reconditioned, well, I suspect it's reconditioned. There's no rust staining on the inside. It's crisp. The cast is crisp. We've had like reconditioned ones before, Harry Potter.
Yeah.
And the inside, they've been cleaned up, but you can see where, excuse me, where the rust has bubbled and bit into the actual caliper. So we are really happy with this. Also, you've got this tub of grease.
And your caps as well.
And you've got your caps as well.
New black caps.
And I think they'll give us free, are they?
Yeah.
They'll give us free in case you lose one.
Yeah, which is mighty fine.
But look, I just can't get over the casting of it still. Even though it's been reconditioned, it's just good. It's just, yeah. It's really good.
So, these are M5 rear brake caliper, or calipers, depending if you. So, yeah.
So, from me and Dad, now we'll never review anything we are not happy with. We are going to fill YouTube full of toxic, this is crap, that's horrible. We only review, we only put what we like, or services we like. And this is a service, AUTODOC is a service me and Dad really like, and I will not hesitate to use this service again. What do you think?
Yeah, correct, yeah.
Definitely use. I mean, yeah, you go wait for them to come. So yeah, we are really happy with that and with AUTODOC. If you did like this video, you did like our reviews, you are into BMW 34s, give us a like, give this video a share, and until next time, from me and Pop, bye bye.
Bye bye.